Okay, so if you've got one of those smart keys, as we do, sometimes you go to rekey it and you put the new key in and you can't make it work again, right? So in this case, we had the old key in, we used the little tool, put in the new key, can't get it to work. So this is the new key, it won't turn the latch. So usually what happens is, if you look at this one here, you can see that the key is fully in. That one's been rekeyed. But this one, when it got done, the key did not get fully in. And so the first thing to do is to try to just slowly pull the key out a little bit and wiggle it as you go until you can get the lock to rotate. I'm gonna lock the door. Okay, and actually right there it is. So the key is partially withdrawn. Okay, now we just rekey it again. Stick the little thing in to get the key to release. You shove the key all the way in and rotate it. Bingo, fixed. No need to panic.